Recently, one of my customers asked me, can they control the camera and microphone of the meeting attendees so that they are only allowed to speak or turn on camera when they are required? Well, this is a valid use case, especially if I'm running a meeting with hundreds of attendees. Now, let me show you how to do this. Now, to control the attendee camera and microphone, you can always go to your calendar, the meeting invite you have, and then meeting options. This will bring you to the option to turn off meeting attendee microphone as well as camera. Now, if you're having this meeting within your organization, remember specific people or yourself has to be the presenter. Otherwise, everyone else by default join as a presenter, so they will bypass that control. If you forgot those settings as meeting organizer, that's okay. You can always come to the Eclipse Small Actions, meeting options. As a meeting organizer, I can change this anytime. Once I do so, let me switch to Megan, who is one of the attendees in this meeting. And you can see Megan click join, and she joins the Teams meeting. And you can see on the screen, as Megan joined, both the camera and microphone are actually disabled, and this is indicated both for the attendees as well as the presenter. When you see show attendee, you also see Megan, and you will see camera, microphone are disabled for Megan. During the meeting, if Megan has a request to speak or turn on camera, Megan can use the raise hand option in Teams. Once Megan raises hand, as a meeting organizer, I can go allow microphone, allow camera. This will allow Megan to unmute, speak. Once Megan finishes what she needs to say, I can come here and disable microphone, disable camera. This will put Megan back to the disabled mode. Apart from control attendees' individual microphone and camera, you can go to Participant Eclipse, and it will allow you to allow camera and microphones for all attendees. You can also now lower all hands. This allows you to lower all the hands raised once the requests and questions has been addressed. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any other ideas or questions, do post in comments. Happy to make a video and show you how to do that.